Here is a simple and versatile recipe for quick pickled radishes that will produce crisp, tangy, and brightly colored results. The pickling process removes the bitter bite of raw radishes, leaving them with a pleasant sweet and sour flavor. All you need to do is take one bunch of radishes, about 12 to 15 radish, washed, greens and root ends trimmed. Take a half cup of vinegar, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or white wine vinegar, all works well. Half cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Adjust the taste, it is optional. 1.5 teaspoon of salt. An optional flavor addition is half teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few black peppercorns, fresh dill, or a smashed garlic clove. To prepare the radishes, thinly slice the radish using a sharp knife or a mandolin for uniform pieces. Pack the slices into a clean pint-sized jar or container with a tight fitting lid. Add any optional flavorings to the jar. In a small saucepan, combine the vinegar, warm water, sugar, and salt. Stir until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. You can also combine the ingredients in a measuring cup and whisk until dissolved. Pour the warm brine over the radishes in the jar, ensuring they are completely submerged. Let the jar cool to room temperature on the counter for about an hour. Once cool, cover the jar with a lid and transform it into the refrigerator. The pickled radishes will be ready to eat in as little as 30 minutes to an hour if sliced thinly, but the flavor will develop further after 1 to 2 days. The pickles will keep well in refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. They are most crisp within the first 5 days. This adds a bright, tangy crunch to salads, tacos, sandwiches, and green bowls. The radishes will turn a vibrant, uniform pink color after a few hours in the pickling liquid. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.